Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are breaking down Monad blockchain in the simplest way possible. I promise you it's super easy to understand. So let's go. So what is Monad? It's a new blockchain that wants to be super fast and powerful, kind of like Ethereum, but way more efficient. So think of it like an upgrade to how blockchains work today. Ethereum is great, but it can be slow and expensive. So Monad was built to solve that. So Monad is trying to give you the same smart contract as Ethereum, but with more speed, lower fees, and a better performance. So what makes Monad special? It can run thousands of transactions at the same time. It's EVM compatible, which means apps built for Ethereum can easily move to Monad. It uses proof of stake, which is energy efficient and secure. So why should you care? For regular users like you and me, this means faster apps, cheaper gas fees, and a better experience when using crypto. So if Monad succeeds, it could bring more people into crypto and make things smoother for everyone. Monad is not live on mainnet yet. It's currently operating on the public testnet, where you can experiment with dApps, faucets, and DeFi features, but everything is still testing. The official mainnet launch hasn't been confirmed by the Monad Labs. And that is it. Monad is a new blockchain aiming to be faster, cheaper, and compatible with what already works. If that sounds like the future to you, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple crypto videos like this. See you in the next one.